Hi folks, I'm Janet Enoch with Showing Animals Respect and Kindness. This land, along with a piece of property across a street, is in University Park in Will County, Illinois. The two tracks are home to more than 60 pit bull dogs. According to the property owner, the dogs are used for hunting and for shows. This isn't the way you treat show dogs. And it seems like an awful lot of dogs for hunting. University Park has a 3-dog limit per household, so 60-plus dogs is obviously a violation. Shark has been trying to get Inspector Bellgrave at University Park to take action, but we have been unsuccessful. We are hoping that concerned citizens might help. Please call Inspector Bellgrave at 708-235-4818 and ask that the University Park ordinance of 3 dogs be enforced. Please let us know what they have to say. I am Janet Enoch for Showing Animals Respect and Kindness.